Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac Escalade key battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do at home. First, ensure you have a fresh CR2450 coin battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key from your fob. Having a soft cloth nearby is also a good idea to protect your key fob from any accidental marks during the process. The first step is to access the emergency key. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and you will see the metal emergency key slide out. Gently pull the key completely free from the fob. Make sure to set this key in a safe place, as you will need it again later to reassemble your fob. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small notch or slot inside the opening. Take the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist or pry carefully. The two halves of the key fob case should begin to separate. Work slowly around the edges to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note its orientation. For a CR2450, the positive side typically faces up. Insert your new CR2450 battery, ensuring the positive side is correctly positioned. Then, align the two halves of the key fob case and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks, and your key fob is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.